Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you how to use GoHighLevel and how can HighLevel help your business. HighLevel is a white label marketing platform for digital agencies. Functionality includes CRM with smart lists, email, two-way SMS, outbound calling, call tracking, call recording, power dialer, form builder, survey builder, funnel builder, website builder, and more. Agency accounts include unlimited sub-accounts for your clients that can be cloned to speed up setups. Bring your own Twilio and SMTP credentials to power your account, giving you access to wholesale rates on email, phone call, and SMS. GoHighLevel Features: white label icons and domain with your own brand, automated text email and ringless voicemail messaging, connect with website chat and Facebook Messenger. Funnel Builder: create your own custom landing pages, funnels, surveys, and forms with the drag-and-drop page builder and bring customers to that page. Detailed client dashboard with lead conversion and reporting data. Send automated reviews to customers, and so much more. At its core, GoHighLevel is focused on turning leads into customers. So having a powerful CRM solution is paramount. What is liked the most is that everything is built for function, visibility, and is very customizable. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. HighLevel is the first ever all-in-one platform that will give you the tools, support, and resources you need to succeed with your agency. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about GoHighLevel and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.